deep relaxation. Come to Savasana. Gently move your whole body. Make yourself comfortable and relax completely. As I give the instructions to relax each part of your body one part at a time, you need to send those instructions to your brain. That is, when I say relax the toes, you should ask your brain to relax your toes. That way, you will mentally relax completely. Bring your awareness to the tip of the toes. Gently move your toes and relax. Sensitize the soles of your feet. Loosen the ankle joints. Relax the calf muscles. Gently pull up the kneecaps. Release and relax. Relax your thigh muscles, buttock muscles. Loosen the hip joints. Relax the pelvic region and the waist region. Totally relax your lower part of the body. Relax. Relax. Chant a Ucāra and feel the vibrations in the lower part of the body. Inhale. Gently bring your awareness to the abdominal region and observe the abdominal movement for a while. Relax the abdominal muscles and relax the chest muscles. Gently bring your awareness to your lower back. Relax the lower back. Loosen all the vertebral joints one by one. Relax the muscles and nerves around the backbone. Relax your middle back, shoulder blades, and upper back muscles. Totally relax. Shift your awareness to the tip of the fingers. Gently move them a little and sensitize. Relax your fingers one by one. Relax your palms. Loosen the wrist joints. Relax the forearms. Loosen the elbow joints. Relax the hind arms, triceps, biceps, and relax your shoulders completely. Shift your awareness to your neck slowly. Turn your neck or head to the right and left. Bring it back to the center. Relax the muscles and nerves of the neck. Relax your middle part of the body. Totally relax. 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 Chant a Ucāra and feel the vibration in the middle part of your body. Inhale. Gently bring your awareness to your head region. Relax your chin, lower jaw and upper jaw, lower and upper gums, lower and upper teeth, and relax your tongue. Relax your palates, hard and soft. Relax your throat and vocal cords. Gently shift your awareness to your lips. Relax your lower and upper lips. Shift your awareness to your nose. Observe your nostrils and feel the warm air touching the walls of the nostrils as you exhale. And feel the cool air touching the walls of the nostrils as you inhale. Observe for a few seconds and relax your nostrils. Relax your cheek muscles, feel the heaviness of the cheeks and have a beautiful smile on your cheeks. Relax your eyeballs, eye muscles. Feel the heaviness of the eyeballs. Relax your eyelids, eyebrows, and in between the eyebrows. Relax your forehead, temple muscles, ears, the sides of the head, back of the head and crown of the head. Relax your head region, totally relax. 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 Chant a Makara and feel the vibrations in the head region. Take a deep inhalation. Observe your whole body from toes to the head and relax. Chant an Omkara in a single breath. Feel the resonance throughout the body. Take a deep inhalation. Slowly come out of the body consciousness and visualize your body lying on the ground completely collapsed. Imagine the vast, beautiful sky, the blue, beautiful sky, the limitless blue sky. Expand your awareness as vast as the blue sky. Merge yourself into the blue sky. You are becoming one with the blue sky. You are the blue sky. Enjoy the infinite bliss. Enjoy the blissful state of silence and all pervasive awareness. Slowly come back to body consciousness. Inhale deeply, chant a Omkara. Om. Feel the resonance throughout the body, the soothing and massaging effect from toes to the head. Gently move the whole body a little. Feel the lightness, alertness, and movement of energy throughout the body. Slowly bring your legs together and the hands by the side of the body. Turn over to the left or right side and come up when you are ready.